Hello everybody, this is Bert Kammerer with BK Hobbies, and today I want to talk to you about the new M5 and M6 kits from OMPHOBBY. These are the latest and greatest creations from Jonas Wackershauser and OMPHOBBY. I have the M5 here as you can see, but in essence the M5 and the M6 kits are one of the same with a few key important differences. The M5 is designed to run 550 to 580 millimeter blades, whereas the M6 is designed to run 600 to 610 millimeter blades. Therefore, of course, the M6 boom, the tail belt, the tail push rod are longer. In addition, the M5 is designed to use 6S to 8S, whereas the M6 is able to run 6S all the way up to a 12S stick pack. Both kits ship with 2 battery trays, but the battery tray that comes with the M6 is a little longer, so again, it could accommodate a smaller 12S stick pack if you wish. The M5 comes out of the box with 15 millimeter servo mounts, so it's designed to run mini servos all around, and the M6 comes out of the box with 20 millimeter servo mounts, as it is more geared towards running standard size servos all around, including the tail. You can get a conversion kit, however, for the M5 so that you could run standard size servos on your M5 if you prefer. Jonas did an excellent job with these kits. If you're familiar with the M7, you get pretty much a smaller and more economical version with these M5 and M6s. The chamfered lower frames look amazing. The battery tray guides are also made out of carbon fiber and basically sandwiched in between the upper and the lower frames. There's a tail belt pulley tensioner, just like on the M7, as well as a locking mechanism for the battery tray. Again, all the amazing features that you come to expect and that you see on the M7 are present on these M5 and M6 kits. There are also way too many other features to mention, everything ranging from the 12 millimeter main shaft to the one-piece tail rotor housing, the slop-free tail belt crank system, the super lightweight 28 millimeter carbon fiber tail boom, 6 millimeter tail shaft, 5 millimeter tail spindle shafts. There's also an integrated wiring guide to make routing your wires super clean and easy. So anyhow, the M5 M6 coming to a dealer near you very soon during the month of April. But I would prefer, of course, if you check them out and you purchase them from the people that sleep, breathe, and eat helicopters, and the ones that are going to give you the best support possible. No questions asked, bkhobbies.com.